Today, we'll show you how to clean and season your cast iron cooking grate for optimal performance. Cast iron grates conduct heat better, distribute it evenly and consistently, making them ideal for grilling. Start by cleaning the grate with warm soapy water to remove dust and food residues. Rinse thoroughly and dry completely. Avoid using stainless brushes that can harm the enamel coating. Next, apply a thin layer of high smoke point food-grade oils such as avocado oil or canola oil to the cooking grate. Heat up the grate to a high temperature, allowing the oil to bond with the cast iron for better seasoning. And there you have it. A clean and seasoned cast iron cooking grate ready for your next grilling adventure. Prokan Grills, built for generations of gathering.